In this video, I'll show you how to disable CSM in BIOS. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. In order to disable CSM, for that we need to type in the search bar recovery options. Just open it and right here we will find the option advanced startup. So just click on restart now, then click here again. Once you click on restart now, you will see that your PC is now restarting. And once your PC restarts, you will see that you are in your safe mode now. And from here we are going to go to a BIOS. So for that, just click on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options. Right here we need to click on UEFI firmware settings, then just hit on restart. So our PC will now again get restart, and once your PC restarts, then you will find that you are in your BIOS finally. So from here we are going to disable our CSM. So for that we need to look for the option advanced, no matter which motherboard you are using. Once you click on advanced, here we need to look for the option Windows OS configuration. So once you find it, just open it. And yeah, here you can see the option BIOS UEFI/CSM mode. So from here we can just change CSM mode to UEFI. That means we are disabling our CSM mode. Once you do that, just click on save and exit. Now here click on save configuration and reboot, then click on yes. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can disable CSM in your BIOS. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.